Imagine having a screen like this 98-inch TV on your face at all times. That's what nreals are aiming to do. I know these things are called XREALs now, but we got them when they were called nreals. So I just prefer that name. That's a personal opinion. In the beginning, these were only available in the Asian market, but once they hit Amazon, these things really took off. And I've been using these, and let me tell you a little bit about them. First, let's look at some specs. The display is a 1920 by 1080 OLED screen, and it has two, so you'll have a total of 3840 by 1080. Two screens because there's two lenses. The brightness gets up to 400 nits, which indoors is phenomenal. Outdoors, in a bright sunny day, you're not seeing anything unless you're looking at a dark wall or you have the shades on, which we lost because it's on a plane somewhere, isn't it? For audio, you get dual open ear speakers, which is good enough if you don't have headphones, but I recommend using some earbuds. And it's got USB-C connectivity. By the way, while doing the research for this video, I found out that the first AR glasses were created by a guy named Ivan Sutherland, and it had the most badass name ever. The Sword of Damocles. What could you do with them? Just see computer graphics. But inevitably, AR technology started to evolve, and now we have Google HoloLenses. But HoloLenses cater more to the professional sector, engineering and jobs alike. Though HoloLenses are a consumer product, they didn't reach consumer product pricing at around $1,500 to $3,000, just like the Vision Pros, but they do less entertainment, and XREALs look leagues better. So what do XREALs do right? I'll tell you what they don't do right first, because there's some setbacks. Let's get into it. They aren't compatible with iPhones 14 and under. The 15 and up is compatible, but only for air casting, not AR space. The Nebula app itself isn't great. Right before filming, we actually got it to work. We had to do some updates, use different cables. For some reason, this cable that it came with isn't working with the Nebula app. I don't know why, and this thing is annoying to use. Look how thick this thing is. Look at how thick this cable is. This is absurd. There isn't much to the Nebula app. It gives you a nice space for you to work, have some apps on there, but it's too finicky. So yeah, I don't even think it's worth using. Through the app, I think the only feature worth using was the air casting. That way you can just set something off to the corner of your view and keep on doing whatever you're doing. Even after iPhones went to Type-C, there still isn't a Nebula app on the iPhone App Store. But if you want to know which devices are compatible, we will link a page in the description that'll tell you exactly what devices are compatible and by which region. So check out the description. But those aren't deal breakers for me. Now that we got those cons out of the way, these glasses are freaking awesome. I mean, they look like Ray-Bans. Super sleek and ultra modern. You can't even tell that these aren't even the XREALs, right? Because they're not. These are.
Which ones?
Exactly. Which ones? Can you see them from there? No, you can't. But when I turn them like this, you can obviously see which ones are thicker. But despite being slightly bigger, they aren't bulky and they're lightweight. The screens are extremely clear, responsive, and very legible. And if you wear glasses, your prescription inserts are comfortable and easy to install. Or so they say. I don't know because I don't have glasses and I can't confirm this to be 100% true. For me to make it work, I needed to buy the nreal Air adapter and the Apple Lightning to digital AV adapter. Seems like quite a bit just to use it, but that's just what I needed to use on my iPhone. Now, I use these quite a bit because they're so much easier to use than these guys. Vision Pro and the Quest 3 are way too bulky. Look at these guys. Let's try to put one of these guys in my pocket. Can't. There's no way. These glasses, check them out. Look at that. Well, if your shirt doesn't get in the way. Look at that. That's just great. You can hang them anywhere. Put them on your shirt. Put them on your forehead, something out of the way. Okay, actually that actually looks weird. But like any young adult, all I really wanted it was for gaming. And that is where it shines as a monitor. If you have a Steam Deck, just connect it to your Type-C. And bingo, you get your own display. You guys obviously can't see it, but I'm seeing it in 4K glory.
They just look like they're off.
They look like they're off? I have it on full brightness too. So this took away a huge downside to handheld gaming. Not being able to play laying down. I was living in constant fear that I was gonna drop my Steam Deck on my face. This is like 2 pounds of plastic and glass. Any type of mundane chore like washing dishes, picking stuff up, cleaning around the house are made so much easier with the XREALs. Just put something up on the corner, view it as you clean. So what are your thoughts on the XREALs? Do you like them? Do you need them? How do you use them? Let us know in the comments below and I'll be there like always. And don't forget to subscribe if you want some more tech videos. And as always, I'm Brim and I really appreciate you. I'll see you the next time. Lates.